Hello gardeners, in this video we are going to discuss all about our SCINDAPSUS exotica. As you all know, I already uploaded few short videos of my SCINDAPSUS. You can also watch them in my playlist. But here, today, we are going to discuss all the care tips in a detailed manner. So let's start our video with our first care tip, which is location. What kind of location is best or suitable for our foliage or aroids? As you can see, this is the node part between two internodes where new roots can grow, and you can also propagate them very easily with the help of nodes. And as you all know, this is a vine plant, means it requires support to climb. Here I use this my small DIY pole with coconut coir. You can also use moss pole or simple plain string. And here is the planter. The first point is to use bigger size planter. I use terracotta pot. You can also use whatever material you like, either ceramic or plastic. Make sure the size of the planter is bigger than the plant and have drainage hole in the bottom. As you can see here in this video, I placed my planter in a very narrow space near my staircase, which receives bright morning direct sunlight or bright indirect light from the noon to the evening, not afternoon sunlight, or their leaves will get burned. Here, this is one of my propagation. I already propagated many of them by cutting, but you can also propagate them via root division. Both the methods are very easy and effective. But before using any scissors, you first need to sterilize them. You can also propagate them very easily. Just take few cuttings in a glass container filled with tap water, not distilled water, and change the water regularly every week or in every 15 days. As you can see here, this is the node part where the new roots appears. You can also try and let me know if this really works for you. When the new roots appears, you can directly plant them into the soil, and at least for a week, keep them in a shade. Now, let's talk about sunlight. It requires bright morning direct sunlight, or you can also provide them bright indirect light. You can also grow them indoors. You can place them near a window or in such a location where it receives bright light all day long. If we talk about what kind of soil mix is required to grow SCINDAPSUS exotica, here I use loose, airy and porous mixture, which is a combination of coco peat, coco chunks, wooden charcoals, and a little amount of rice husk and plain garden soil with few amount of coarse river sand. You can also make your own mixture with plain garden soil and vermicompost and vermiculites. And if we talk about watering, you can water only when you feel the soil is little bit moist, not soggy wet, and not too bone dry. So make sure only to water when the soil feels dry. Here I am showing you both of my propagation in clay pot and in ceramic pot. They both are doing very great and growing happily in their pots. Guys, what kind of fertilizer is good for our SCINDAPSUS? So I always use liquid seaweed fertilizer. You can also buy them online on Amazon or in Flipkart. Or if you want to use vermicompost, vermiculite, you can go ahead, just use them. They are also good. And if you want to use inorganic fertilizers like NPK in the ratio 20-20-20, you can use them. If we talk about pests like mealybugs, you can use diluted neem oil and spray them all over the plant during evening, and you can also use fungicides for fungal infections. So guys, this is all the care tips. Hope you found this video informative and you also get inspired to do more propagations. Guys, if you have any queries or question, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll answer all your queries. Guys, this exotica is very easy to care and maintain in my experience, but at first when I started growing them, I also get lots of troubles. Yeah, we all learn from our failures. In the last of this video, I'm gonna share a picture of 2 years back, how it all started. Hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy gardening.